Hi everyone! Let's dive into the Magento 2 multi-vendor order edit. It allows sellers can easily modify the customer orders like quantity and other details, even after they are placed the order. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Here we can see the admin panel. Now click on Stores and navigate to Configuration. Scroll down the configuration page. Here we can see the Marketplace Order Edit section. There is an option to enable Edit Order, shown as a drop-down. If the admin selects No, the seller will not be able to edit the order. If the admin selects Yes, the seller will be allowed to edit the order. We can also see another option, Enable Place New Order. If the admin selects No, the seller will not be able to place a new order for a customer. If the admin selects Yes, the seller can place an order for the customer. Finally, click the Save Configuration button. The configuration will be saved successfully. Now we are on the seller end. Click the My Order History button, then navigate to Create New Order and select the customer. The seller can now add products. Here we can see the complete list of the seller's products, which should be displayed. Select a product, then click the Add Selected Product to Order button. The product will be added successfully. In the Action section, the seller can remove a product by clicking on it and updating the items. Once removed, a confirmation will show that the product has been successfully deleted. Now, click Add Product again to continue. Fill in the customer's email ID, last name, first name, and other required fields accordingly. The seller can now click the Same as Billing Address checkbox. Select the payment method as check/money order. Then, click Get Shipping Method and Rates to retrieve available shipping options. Select the flat rate option. Click the Submit Order button. The order will be placed successfully. Now, click on the order, then click the Edit Order button. Confirm the action by clicking OK. The seller can now easily edit all aspects of the order. For example, they can modify the last name or change the product quantity. After updating the quantity, click the Update Items and Quantity button. Next, click Get Available Payment Methods and select Check/Money Order. Then, click Get Shipping Methods and Rates and choose the desired shipping method. Finally, click the Submit Order button. Here we can see that the previous order has been canceled and a new order has been generated with the updated quantity, for example, 3, instead of the previous quantity of 1. We can also view all the customer details that were added. So that's all about this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.